Now I'm in front of the production line. Let's take a look at the whole production process. This is the first process of the production line. The automated manipulator will lift the battery cells and put them on the production line for the next stop. This is the second workstation. The CCD will test on the isolating films on the battery cells to make sure it's perfectly well. And here we do the OCV test to test on the voltage and the internal resistance of the battery cells. At the third workstation, the machine will stick the mica sheets on the battery cells. And here the machine will stack the battery cells together and put them on the insulating base. This machine is for adjusting the pole of the battery cells. Each position of the poles will be recorded. And this machine is for cleaning the dirt oxide on the surface of each pole. Here, our own developed CCS cable and connector system will be assembled onto the battery cells. Next step is the laser soldering. The workers will use the automatic laser soldering machine. For the soldering, we usually ensure double inspection: automatic CCD visual inspection and manual inspection to 100% ensure the soldering goes well. After soldering, the workers will clean a module with dirt-free cloth and a vacuum. And this machine is for the insulation withstand voltage test. Now the machine will upload the liquid-cooled plate and glue the plate and put the battery modules onto the plate. Here, the workers will fix the whole module and lock the front panel and do the labeling. The workers will check the whole module and do the insulation withstand voltage test. And last, they will do an EOL test to ensure the performance of the whole module. And then they'll lock the top cover of the module at here. At last, they'll do the air tightness test on the liquid-cooled plate and the whole module. Next, here comes to our last production process. The robot arm will put the module down, so the whole module is finished.